We are the music makers, and we are the dreamers.
Hi, welcome back. Today I've got this delicious fish recipe for you. It is so easy and in no time it's ready. So if you want to know how I make this, keep watching. Here are the ingredients. As you can see on the screen, I've made a list of the ingredients. It's so easy, so straightforward. All we're gonna do now is to combine the ingredients, and to make it a bit loose we're gonna add a bit of olive oil. That's the fish already prepped. I've made some incisions so that the marinade can penetrate into the fish. So next we're just going to prepare the ingredients, combine them. I've got the Maggi in there as well. I just added a little bit of olive oil to loosen it up a bit, and then it's time to rub it all over the fish. Keep watching. Are you still there watching and yet you haven't subscribed? What are you waiting for, lovely? Come on, join the train. Subscribe to this channel so you can always, keep in touch, get updated whenever there are new videos. Please like and share. Preheat your oven at 230 degrees Celsius or gas mark 8. So you're gonna bake or grill or air fry your fish for 18 to 20 minutes. So next we're gonna prepare the ingredients for the sauce. I'm gonna start by slicing the tomato, the onion, and then dicing the green pepper. So let's get this sauce done. To start with, we're gonna add some oil to the pan and then saute the onion for a minute or so, and then we're gonna fry the tomato for further 2 minutes, making it 3 minutes in total. You're gonna add 1 cube of seasoning, Maggi. I use no cube, and some salt. Taste if the salt is enough for you. I'm cutting down on my sodium intake anyway, so it's up to you. Then I added a little bit, a teaspoon actually, of the marinade from the fish, just to give it a bit of flavor. And so you stir that for a minute and then garnish with some green bell pepper. And that is it. The sauce is ready. Let me know what you think about this if you tried it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. God bless. Love you.